So currently I have Revine Tech Make power supply, which is a 60 volt, 10 ampere and 300 watt. As you can see, model number is a RTPM6103. So this is the power supply unit, as you can see here. With this power supply, these accessories we get. So this one is a one CD, two fuse, 5 ampere and 10 ampere. 10 ampere for the multimeter and 5 ampere for the power supply. As you can see here, we have a multimeter pot. So this is the DMM plus power supply. So we can measure the DC voltage, a DC current, and resistance, capacitance, and we can test the continuity using this instrument. So with this we have this test lead, USB cable. So this power supply has its remote operating software, we will see later on, and this is the power cord. As you can see, backside we have a USB port for the serial communication. This is our 200 to 240 volt AC. This is for the fuse, 5 ampere. This is the on and off button for the power supply. So as you can see here, using this button we can set the current voltage. Using this button we can set the current. Just we need to press. Here you can see the cursor is there. If I once again press, so we can change the decimal points. So if I want to set the voltage or current, need to use this knob. For current, for over voltage, so maximum we can set this limit only. For the over current, using this button we can change the display, like graphical mode, meter mode, and meter plus multimeter above windows for the multimeter, and below power supply. Here is our setting values, means this is the over voltage and over current. This is the setted voltage and current value. This is the actually voltage and current value. If I turn on the power supply, currently I have setted 10.44 volt. So as you can see, I have a 10.44 volt at here on my terminals, right? Now if I change the mode, so now I am into the multimeter mode. In meter mode, as you can see here, if I press here, so currently our meter in a resistance mode, so it will measure the resistance. As you can see, currently my leads are open, so it's showing me an overload. So if I sort it, as you can see, resistance is changing. If again I press, so it will in now continuity test. As you can see this beep sound. If I again press, so it will be in diode mode, so we can test the diode. If I press again, so we can test the capacitors. So this all option we get for the DMM. In power supply we have other options. If I switch the display, so we have here a memory list, right, and this is the auto on. So if I select memory, we have a 4 option. As you can see here, my rated setted value is a 10.44 and 1, right? For to take this presetted value from memory, just I need to press this and hold. So now power supply goes to the 12 volt. Currently I am not drawing any current from this terminal, so my current value is 0, as you can see here. If I want to change another value, if I want to go for the 20 volt, so just I need to press and hold. So as you can see, my power supply goes to the 20 volt. Same like we can edit the list. For the editing the list, just we need to press for the voltage V. So we can change the voltage using this. For current, we can change the current like this. If I press here, so we can bring our cursor here and we can adjust the timing. So whatever time we can set, here we have an option for the 1 second, minimum 1 second. More than that we can set, but below the 1 second we can't set. And here last is for the our sequence. If we select it yes, so it will be considered in our next sequence. If we will not select this, so it will be not in our next sequence. For the editing this list, I will just enter the voltage, like currently it's set to 21, so I am changing to the 10, right? For the current I will set 1. Okay. For the timing I will keep for this 8 for 4 seconds. Then I will keep it in my sequence, so it will be the check mark, right? Now if I will go to the second one, so we can go to second one using this knob, rotating knob. For this I will set the voltage to 11. Then current will be again my 1 ampere. 1 ampere. For the timing I will keep for the 2 seconds as it is, and I will on my this sequence, so I will tick mark yes. For the third, same, I will keep 20 voltage as it is and 3 ampere 3.3 ampere as it is for the 10 seconds, so no problem. I will just take this list on my output terminal. So for that I will just press this knob. As you can see here, my list 1 is activated. So I just on the output, so as you can see here, now it's 11 volt, so now it's a 20 volt. So list 3 is currently running. So as from here you can see the which list is currently running. So this is our output is on, so this is indicator for the output. This is the CVCC indicator. This is the timing, so total timing of total running time for this instrument. This is the power drawn by DUT. So as you can see here, we will show the power. Currently I didn't connected any DUT with this instrument, so it's 00. Here we have a current and here we have a voltage. If I want to change the mode, display mode, so I will just click on the display. So as you can see here on my display, so that was the previous one is my this one. This is the multimeter window. This is the multimeter and power supply window. This is the power supply only. So here is my setted voltage and over voltage and over current setting, and this is the actual voltage and actual current settings. Actual current and actual voltage values, and this is the graphical representation of these values. From here we can take the data also, and here we can connect a 5 volt and 1 ampere we can use for the charging purpose also. So we can take 5 volt and 1 ampere from this port.